Welcome, my friends. We What you're looking at here is my daily rider. It's I ended up naming it the Midnight Rider. It sort of seemed to fit. It's inspired by a chopper style bicycle or motorcycle. This build represents the very first time that I sort of steered away from the basic, basic build, where you just put the engine on a frame on a cranbrook. I've been doing it for about 15 years, and each successive build, I take whatever problems the last build gave me and preemptively try to head them off in the next build. So I ended up achieving, after about 15 years, I ended up achieving reliability. I'd say, with confidence, I can jump on the bike and ride it hard all day long. I don't take any tools with me. It's so rare that I break down. Not even, this bike hasn't gotten a flat, and it's been a long time. I don't even take an air pump with me anymore. But yeah, so once I achieved the reliability factor, what I found lacking was the appearance of the bike and the bolted on look that the builds, it's just the way it looks, because it's what it is. We bolt on all this stuff, this kit, and it runs great. It's strong. The triangular build gives it a lot of strength, but that bolted on look, it feels great when I'm riding down the street at open throttle with the air breezing by and I feel like I'm flying. But I feel that the looks of these bikes doesn't do that feeling justice. I want the two to match. So that's what I try to achieve in this this sort of custom looking build. I started out with this 4-liter gas tank and added these wooden fins under it, and then just added to the it makes it look more solid. Also gives me a place to put the CDI, hide wires and electronics and whatnot, and gives us fuel capacity, so distance I can achieve. I don't have to fill up but once every 2 months or so. This odometer turned out to be disappointing, and so did these headlights. Although I like the way they look, I want to improve the efficiency of both the odometer and these headlights, or choose a different light, something with much more lumens, to make it safe at riding at night. I actually do these ape hangers myself. I got some pipe and got myself a pipe bender and just bent them. They're in 3 pieces, and I welded, sort of twisted the angle until it was just right and welded it together. You can see where I joined 3 pieces right about midway. Yeah, these headlights are what's been disappointing, because they're just not very bright. They're like $7 a piece, and it really shows how cheap they are. I added these cavities here on either side of the header tube, and the purpose of that is because when I bundled these fins on, I noticed that I was covering up any airflow that might cool the engine. And so, in order not, because these engines can heat up, and they really need that air that's when we're going fast down the street, they use that air cooling to cool them down. And after realizing that's why I put those little but in the next build, what I'm thinking is adding an air scoop, and forcing air towards the engine. I think that might be a good idea. Anyway, my friends, thank you for watching.